Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I have this beautiful rainforest behind me. You can hear the beautiful birds I enjoy, and also behind me are tall mountains, and then there's an inlet as well because I live on an island in Alaska. This is a place that you cannot drive to. You have to fly or take a boat. We are off the road system, of course, and it's very unique and fun. I really enjoy living here, and I also have 7 grandkids. Such a blessing. And I remember when my kids were little, I wanted to be home and take care of them and raise them. And so I started a home-based business because that's what I wanted, and I went after it. And I've been doing it ever since, and now I have 7 grandkids. So I have been very blessed. I'm very thankful for that, and I want to share with you something incredible. Now, you must wonder what 791 likes on Facebook are good for, right? You're just like, what? What do we do with that? Well, I can give you 2.6 billion reasons why it's important, because that's how many Facebook users there are. It's incredible, the numbers of that. And Facebook, they're the king of social media. Their advertising revenue is like 17.44 billion. Now that is staggering, totally, and businesses use Facebook. So if you are in that market, why would you not? I mean, that's incredible numbers, and you can't afford not to be part of that. I mean, 7 out of 10 Americans use Facebook, and that is a lot, right? It is a lot. And Facebook engagements mean everything, because with that, you've got attention, you're actively engaging with each other, you're checking each other out, and what's that do? They see what you're doing, they like it, they go after it. I mean, what a better way to market, what a professional way to market, because you're not chasing people, sending links out to everybody, and that's just so unprofessional, and just is really a turn off, honestly, for people. And you want to do a very smooth, professional, awesome, and you don't have to do Facebook ads, which is so good, right? It's kind of spendy, right? Look at the amount they make. So I'm going to show you on my account what I do and how my numbers are incredible, how this works, how the method we have works so well. It'll change your business forever. It really will. It is the best platform. I mean, I've been marketing online for 30 years, so it is the best platform I've ever seen for reaching people in a simple, honest, upfront way that doesn't cost a fortune. You know, it's awesome. So I'm going to go to my Facebook, and I'm going to show you all the engagements that I have, and so you can see exactly that it's working very well. So let's do that. Facebook, I think we have the right. We don't, of course. Here we go. We're going to start over. Get to my post here where so I'm going to let it load. Get to the right one here. I'm going to start off with the one we're talking about. As soon as it loads. Okay. Getting there. It's crazy. We're getting there. There's my, oh yeah, okay. There we are. We're getting close now, I think. Just a few more, guys. And, okay, here we go. This is my 791 likes post that I did on my Facebook page. So you can see the engagements are incredible. The people are very active, very much on board with connecting with me and what I've got going on, and checked out my page. There's no doubt. Here's another 300 Facebook post, 429. As you can see, likes, 545 likes, and it just keeps going to 42. So several hundred likes as we go to 58 and to 88. So this is incredible. The likes are there. It's just like to advertise your business without buying Facebook ads. And of course, Facebook is the biggest platform for advertising, connecting with people, and that's what it's about. So if you're doing business at all, you definitely want to be on Facebook. We have the exact model for you to learn how to do exactly what I'm doing. It's incredible, and it will change everything for your engagements and your business. It really will. And so I appreciate you taking the time to look at my Facebook, inside my Facebook here. Hey, with our massive Facebook action plan, you can get lots of people. I mean, there's endless when you got billions of people, so there's never a problem running out of people as far as that goes. And then you've got our instructions on how you want to set your page up so you can attract people to what you offer. And it is excellent way to reach, to get lots of action. As you can see on my inside my Facebook, you can see hundreds of likes and comments and reactions to my posts because I have lots of traffic coming in, and we have a very special way to show you how to do that. We have really good, actually the best training I've ever seen in 30 years of marketing online, really, to reach people in a simple, unintrusive way and make an impact in what you know, you're doing. And we can show you how to set all that up, and we can show you how to make money doing that as well, with just a one-time cost of like $100. So it's a pretty fantastic skill set to learn, so that you can always have that kind of, isn't it gorgeous out tonight? So you can always have that kind of reach into billions of people like that. And you know, we give you step by steps. Actually, we have a video that explains it, and then we have the videos in your back office that will give you all the Facebook training that we've done, and to show you how I've gone from just getting like 30 likes to my Facebook account to hundreds and hundreds of likes and actions and people. So that is really important if you're growing any business online. So you want to be able to reach people. And so what you want to do is you want to go to my description. You'll find the link there, and you can just opt in, and it will give you the inside information on what we offer. The training is so incredible. The skill set you're going to learn will be a blessing. And this skill set, by the way, costs thousands of dollars. A multi-six-figure income earner has taught us how to do this. So you're getting it for the very cheap price of $100. Not only that, it's a one-time cost. So you're in, and you can make money with this as well to fund your whatever, you know. So this is a really good plan for you to learn this skill and be able to have lots of action on your page. And I just really appreciate you watching the video. And so just go to my description, like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything. And thanks for stopping by. Bye from Alaska.